Hello, everyone. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, so this is Arnav on behalf of the admin team, and we have another volunteer here. Shirley, can you just...
Good evening, everyone. This is Shirley from ZAC.
Yeah. So, Shirley, I heard this is some kind of a Housie or something, but what's so interesting in it? I mean, I have played a Housie.
We all have played Housie, but this is a new kind of Housie with a twist for our chemistry enthusiasts.
Wait, what? A new kind of Housie? Wow. So what are we waiting for? Let's start.
Let's go over the rules first.
So, of course, rules are rules. And starting with the tickets. So, my favorite. Okay. Prizes. What are the prizes? Prizes are, we all are here for, right? Prizes are what we play Housie for. So, yeah, let's understand the prizes one by one. There are 6 of them. First prize for Jaldi 5. Then we have first, second, and third rows respectively. And we have 2 full house prizes. Okay.
We will be sharing a Google Drive link with you. This folder will contain all your individual tickets named according to your name and contingent code. Participants need to download the ticket with their respective name and contingent code. Please note, you cannot at any point take any other ticket than yours. This will lead to disqualification. Once you've downloaded the tickets, you can annotate on it.
All right. So there was a request to repeat the prizes. I'll just go over them again. Please do not ask to repeat the prizes now. Jaldi 5, 3 rows, first, second, third row, 1 prize for each. And we have 2 full house prizes. All right. I hope it's clear. Yeah. And moving ahead, the moment a person finishes something, like if you think you're done with the Jaldi 5, say for example, so you announce it either by unmuting yourself, or you can use the raise hand feature in the Zoom, okay, and we will address your query. All right.
This has to be done within like 3 seconds before the next element is announced. Okay, like once you're done striking out the first 5 elements or the first, second, third row or full house, you have to raise your hand or unmute yourself and announce it before the next element is called out. Sometimes more than one player may realize that they have the winning point. In this case, the person to announce it first will be given more priority.
And there may be times where your network connections are bad, or you just get logged off the meeting, you do not hear any element clearly. Please wait. Do not interrupt us in between, or do not direct message us. Once you are done with 10 elements, they will all be displayed on your screens. All right.
Yeah, and once you unmute yourself or use the raise hand feature, you'll be asked to share your screen to show us your ticket for verification.
I think we have covered all the rules and our participants are well versed with them by now. If you have any doubts before we proceed, you can put them in the chat box or unmute and ask us.
We will paste the rules in the chat box in case any of you need to go over it once again.
Yep.
Before I paste the drive link, I will just show you how to download your ticket and annotate on it. I'll be sharing my screen for that purpose. Once I send you the drive link and you click on it, this is the folder you'll see. Here you have to look for your contingent code and find your ticket. So once you find it, you can download the ticket by right-clicking on it. The option is right here. You have to download your respective ticket and none other than that. And once you've downloaded the ticket, in case any of you cannot find the ticket, by the way, you can message us or you can unmute yourself and let us know. Once you've downloaded the ticket, you can open it using your whichever PDF, whichever app you use to open PDFs. There you will certainly have an option to annotate. For example, here I have this option. You can use any of those. You can highlight it, mark it, whatever. Just make sure that the element symbol is visible for us to verify your tickets once you've marked them. You can keep striking out your numbers, and please call out once you have the winning point before the next element has been called out. Otherwise, it may not be counted. All right, so with that, I think we can proceed. The link is in the chat box.
Yeah, Shirley has just shared the link. Please let us know if everyone has got it. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yeah, for suppose if you have said TB, that is lead, then we have to just strike that lead and I have to raise my hand and tell, right? That, yeah, I have to.
Yeah, so you just have to mark it in that way for you to know that that is over. And once, say for example, you finish Jaldi 5, so you unmute or you either raise hand and let us know.
Okay, means any 5 elements like first if I finish.
Yeah, so Jaldi 5 is basically if you get all the 5 elements in your ticket, whosoever gets it first is gonna win the Jaldi 5, right?
Okay.
Yep. And I hope you all are here. So like if we can get some videos on maybe, because we are here to like chill and see. Housie is a fun game, guys. Come on.
Now, and don't worry if you miss out any elements. The list will be displayed on your screen after every 10 elements have been called out.
Going ahead with our first element. It's Tony Stark's personal favorite, and in case you have a low level of hemoglobin, you could use some too. Of course, it's iron with the symbol Fe.
Next element. This element is recognized as a semi-metal. The element is antimony, symbol Sb.
Stress and deficiency of this element have the same effect on your blood pressure. It's potassium, symbol K.
Also called as a daughter of actinium. It is obtained after the disintegration of the metal. It is francium, symbol Fr.
Call it an investment or use it as a jewelry. It's truly precious. Well, you've guessed it right. It's gold. Au.
A god, a planet, and also capable of measuring heat. No prizes for guessing, it's Mercury, Ag.
Its atomic mass is 145 and atomic number is 61. Promethium, Pm.
Formed after the Big Bang by a process called cosmic ray spallation. Boron, symbol B.
Well, we don't know about Dettol, but this one kills 99% germs. None other than sulfur, S. And the 10th one we have, being less soluble in acidic soils and more soluble in alkaline soils, we have molybdenum, Mo. Well, here is the end of 10 elements. Yeah, surely.
Please check the list of all the elements that have been called out so far.
Are there any
S
Jaldi 5s? Anyone lucky?
None of you.
Too
All right,
bad.
let's go ahead then.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead. The next element helps to prevent corrosion. It's zirconium, Zr, zirconium.
Next up, we have the most reactive metal, cesium, Cs.
The next element is a part of everything that lives, carbon, symbol C.
This will remind you of the shiny glow in the dark stickers in your room. Well, it's radium, Ra.
The fourth element of group 2, strontium, symbol Sr.
This is a metalloid from Germany that got famous as a semiconductor, germanium, Ge.
This one is present in the mixed metal, the element with atomic number 60, neodymium, symbol Nd.
Well, this one makes perfect sense. Sense with this C. It's copper, Cu.
A toxic metal which may even cause cancer. Be careful while handling, none other than thallium, Tl.
Okay, and the last element of this 20 elements. When I say semiconductor, you think of it, and it's found in your computer chips. Of course, silicon, Si. And here we are at the end of 20 elements.
Please check the list that is displayed on your screen.
Come on, surely now we should get a Jaldi 5. What are these people? Arey, kya chalu hai? Anyone of you lucky as yet?
Ab tak first row ho jata.
Exactly. Why are we not having the tickets? Too sad. All right, I think they have all noted it and we should go ahead. So moving on to our 21st in the row. He has no color or odor. He is created by the stars. He is helium, He.
Having 70 electrons, the last element of the lanthanoid series. It is ytterbium, Yb.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Yes.
My first 5 elements are done.
Okay.
Okay.
May we know who this is?
Even mine are done, first 5.
Okay. So who unmuted first?
I
Stanley.
did not.
Oh, just a
It was
second.
Stanley. Can you please share your screen?
Shirley, what do you think? Do we have our Jaldi 5 winner here?
I think we do.
I think we do, yes. All right, so
We have 5 prizes left now. The 3 rows and 2 full houses. Jaldify has been bagged by Stanley.
yes, thank you so much. And congratulations. All right, अब मजा आएगा ना गेम में?
Okay, moving on.
Yeah. So Shirley, can you just repeat the last element?
The last one was ytterbium, Yb.
All right. Next up, it is odorless and tasteless. We have cadmium, Cd.
Next one, it's a good absorber of neutrons and is used to make control rods. Hafnium, symbol Hf.
Well, it is the only liquid non-metal. Bromine, Br.
The atomic number of our next element is 58. It is cerium, symbol Ce.
It is a metal unusually attracted to ferrum with atomic number 67, holmium, HO. Next up, if you like fireworks, was this the sound of fireworks? Then this one's for you. Mg, magnesium.
Next one. Soft enough to be cut with a knife. The element was isolated recently. It is terbium, symbol TB.
And then we have, it makes up 75% of the sun. None other than lithium, Li.
We are done with the first 30 elements. Please check if you have finished any of your rows. The list is on your screen.
Yes. Come on, guys. First, second, bottom row, anyone? All right. They are not in luck as yet, I guess. Okay. Moving on. The chemical behavior of this element is similar to that of lanthanum, and it is the element which is the beginning of actinoids. It is actin. Okay. Just a second. Before we move on, I think Jyoti says in the chat that first column is done. Do you mean row or do you mean column? Okay, let's not get excited too early.
All right, we have helium, antimony, terbium.
I think it's terbium, Shirley.
The first element.
Oh, the first
Is
one.
it helium or hafnium?
Helium, I guess.
Something
Guessing
else.
games. Come on, guys. Which element is this? Let us know in the chat box.
All right, then we have a winner for the first row, leaving us with
Yes, ma'am, it's
only...
helium.
Yeah,
All right.
I see.
Yeah.
I saw it. So that leaves us with only 4 prizes. Second row, third row, and 2 full houses. The first row has been backed by Jyoti.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jyoti. All right. Okay, guys. So now let's get more competitive. I hope you all are more excited. Okay. So yeah, I'll just repeat the last one. That was actinum AC.
Yeah. Next one. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. It's titanium. Symbol Ti.
Considered the rarest and most valuable metal in the world. Well, above gold or silver. Rhodium, Rh.
Its deficiency will give you goiter. I think you guessed it. It's iodine. Symbol I.
This is the densest metal of all. Os, osmium.
Advertising signs love this element. It's neon. Symbol Ne.
Well, it can absorb up to 900 times its volume of hydrogen. It's palladium, Pd.
Uniquely strong in light. It is used to make cell phones. The next element is beryllium. Symbol Be.
Next up, we have the diva element, named after a goddess of beauty, Vanadium, Vn.
Next one's the most crucial one. You can't imagine your life without this element. None other than oxygen. Symbol O.
And now we are done with 40 good elements. Wow. Here is the slide.
Any second rows, third rows?
Yes. Come on. Full houses. No, that's too optimistic, I guess. All right.
Second row, third row, anyone?
Chalo, fatafat. No. Okay. These guys are not in luck today, yeah. Okay. All right. Moving on. This is the most reactive of the rare earth metals and reminds us of a continent, which is Europe, Europium, EU.
Next element is the most electronegative. It's fluorine, symbol F.
This derives its name from Selene, the goddess of moon, selenium, Se.
This one keeps your pool clean, but it can also be deadly. The element is chlorine, Cl.
I think I've got bottom row.
Perfect.
I'm thinking on my phone, so I'll just put my video on and show it to y'all.
Yep.
Yeah, sure.
Here, I'm not sure. Can you see it? The last row.
Yes. Just give us a moment to cross check.
Sure.
What do you think, Shirley? Do we have our bottom row
Just
winner?
check for branch. Yeah, I see it. All right, so third row is gone. Third row has been bagged by Malaika.
Yep.
And we only have 3 prizes left. Come on, we have the middle row
Congratulations.
and 2 full houses left.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. Guys, what are you doing? Come on.
Only middle row and 2 full houses left. Come on.
Like that's too few prizes.
It's getting really competitive.
All right. Okay, so wherever we were on chlorine. So the next element is soft and important for us. Sodium, Na.
Right. The next element is one of the first 5 metals discovered and used by humans. It is silver, symbol Ag.
Okay, next up we have atomic number 24, chromium, Cr.
Next up, everyone loves visiting an aquarium. The next element is with atomic number 61, samarium.
Used in high-speed photography for its intense flashes, the noble gas xenon, Xe.
This next one keeps your food fresh and your electric transmission lines functional. It's aluminium, Al. Oh,
Yes.
Vaishnavi?
Yeah, I think I'm done with the second one.
Oh, okay.
Can you share your screen
Magnesium,
and let us see?
Okay,
magnesium, vanadium, xenon, PM, and OS.
just give us a moment.
Looks like Vaishnavi has finished the second row. Congratulations, Vaishnavi.
Thank you.
That leaves us with only 2 prizes left, 2 full houses.
Yes, now the real competition begins. Okay, not underestimating those who got the 4 other prizes. Congratulations, guys. But getting full houses is like potluck. So yeah, all the best. Okay. We were on aluminium, and here is coming up the last element of this 10 elements. It is strongly attracted to ferrum with atomic number 63, gadolinium, Gd.
The last 10 elements will be displayed on your screen. Please check if you've missed any of them.
With these, we also have the sodium I put in the chat box. Okay, that.
We have finished 50 elements. Anyone?
50 good elements. Come on, full house. Anyone? Last call for full house. Okay. I don't think they are lucky as yet. Let's move on. So our 51st element, it's found in your food, but it can also set things on fire. Phosphorus, P.
In German, it would be translated as evil spirit, but we call it cobalt. Symbol CO.
The Lanthanoid group is named after this element. Of course, lanthanum, La.
Its high melting point makes it suitable to make the filament of your bulb. I think some of you have guessed it, it's tungsten, symbol W.
Next up, the first transition element in the periodic table, scandium, Sc.
This one is famously known as the synthetic element. It is technetium, symbol Tc.
Next up, we have one of the rarest elements on the Earth with atomic number 75, rhenium, Re.
The next element is named after Thor, the god of war and thunder. It is also a source of nuclear power. None other than thorium, symbol Th.
Next up, during the pandemic, we have used it extensively to help us gain immunity. It's zinc, Zn.
The least abundant of earth metals, not thallium but thulium, symbol Tm. Please check the elements that have been called out.
Come on. Someone has to get a full house now. 60 elements and still I see like no one. Anyone?
Final call for full house.
Oof. I don't see anyone. Sad. Okay. Moving on. So it is commonly used in welding. It's argon, Ar.
Next up, having more isotopes than any other elements, all of them radioactive. The name of this element reminds us of Polonius from Hamlet, none other than polonium, symbol Po.
Well, this one's for your bones. It's calcium, Ca.
Next, we have the rare earth element yttrium, symbol Y.
Next, the most diamagnetic of all metals and has the highest Hall effect. It is bismuth, Bi.
This element is the heaviest known colorless gas at room temperature and hazardous when inhaled. It is radon, Rn.
I think I've got full house. I'll just
Okay.
put my camera on.
Yeah.
Shirley, do we? Yes, okay. So we are checking. This will take us some time. So you might have to hold your phone like that.
Sure.
I think I see most of them. Just check terbium and sulfur.
Sulfur is done. Terbium.
TB.
Yep, it's done.
All right,
Yeah.
then Malachi wins another prize.
Okay. Very
That's
lucky today. All right. So yeah, guys, now just one last prize remaining, and I hope we all hope that you are hooked to your screens and listening to the elements we are calling out, because it's the last chance that you can bag a prize. All right. ये सब मेहनत को ऐसे ही पानी में नहीं जाने देना है. Okay.
All right. So the last element was radon. The next one, in Latin, they call it stannum, but we call it tin. Symbol Sn.
Next up, the 12th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, manganese, Mn.
Member of the Lanthanoid Group, atomic number 59. Praseodymium. Symbol Pr.
Last of the group, a silvery white metal. It was once known as white gold, platinum, Pt. And here we come to the end of this group. The slide of 10 elements is displayed on your screen.
With this, we're done with 70 elements. Anyone?
Waiting for the last prize. All right. Okay, we have a query in the chat box saying, is LU done?
LU done. Let me check. No, not yet.
Yeah, please hold on.
A, lanthanum is done, but not LU.
All right, should we go ahead, Shirley?
So,
Yep. Okay, so moving on, it is used in alloys including stainless steel and
hold
improved.
on. There's a query. Yes, cerium, Ce is done.
Yep. Pay attention, people. Okay.
Do you have a full house?
No rows. Sorry, guys. Just full house.
NB is not done yet.
Yep. Okay, that reminds me. NB is the next element I was gonna say. So it is used in alloys, including stainless steel, and improves their strength. Niobium, NB.
I guess she just got lucky. All right, the next element. Hold it in your hand and it'll melt faster than ice cream. It's gallium. Symbol Ga.
Next up, it was used for light bulb filaments until being replaced by tungsten, tantalum, Ta.
The paramagnetic element with both stable and radio rubidium, Rb.
And every Indian's favorite coming up, indium, In.
Still no one with a full house? All right. So the next one is used in solar cells and as a catalyst in oil refining. It's tellurium, symbol Te.
The preferred catalyst for hydrogenation reactions, nickel, Ni.
The next one makes Superman feel at home. It's Krypton, Kr.
The next is one of the most effective hardeners for platinum and palladium, that is ruthenium, Ru. Okay.
Yes, V is done.
Yup, it's done.
Yes, full housing.
Okay, that's perfect. All right. So can you
share
share
screen?
screen? Yeah.
Yes.
And IR is not done, a follow-up query.
Yeah.
Visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, let us check. We have the last prize done.
Okay, and with that, the last prize has been. All right, the last prize has been bagged, and
Lot of suspense there.
though.
All right. Yay, congratulations. All right. So here we come to an end of the Chem Housie. And it I hope you enjoyed this session. This was not as stressful as your other events in the day, and hope this was a stress buster. Hope you had fun. And with that, I wish you all a very good evening, and thank you all for joining us. And I hope this was not very painful to you guys, like annotation and everything. I hope you enjoyed.
We had a lot of fun with you guys. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you did, please give us a thumbs up or maybe something in the chat box.
Yeah. And okay, before going off the meeting, let's all click a screenshot, guys. Come on. Everyone turn your cameras on. I want to see everyone's reactions. And of course, the winners, come on, turn your cameras on. I want to see your excited faces. Yay.
Will we have another round for the people who attended Finding Fletcher?
All right, okay. This is a new demand. Okay, no, let's have a word. Okay, we can have it. Wow. All right.
It's good to know you all enjoyed it that much.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, can someone have us screenshot? Okay, I can see 3-4 videos. The rest of you guys, come on.
I'm not able to turn my video on.
Oh, damn, this is a good mode. All right. Okay. On the count of maybe 3. So 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Yay. Thank you, guys. Cool. Thank you and a very good evening to you all.